How to resolve permission issues when installing software in Windows 11. Follow these steps when you need to complete an action that requires administrative permissions. Search for and open File Explorer in Windows. Click This PC in the left column to view devices and drives. Right-click the drive icon where your operating system is installed, and then click Properties in the drop-down menu. Select the Security tab at the top of the Properties window. Click the Advanced button. Select Change Permissions in the lower left corner. A list of all the user accounts available on your computer displays. Select the user account you want to use and then click Edit. Under Basic Permissions, check the box next to Full Control and then click OK. Now you have permissions to enable the software installation. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.